Hello, good morning, my dear agricultural students and friends. Today I will discuss about factors influencing growth and development. Growth and development of a plant are influenced mainly by the solar radiation, temperature, soil moisture, soil aeration, and mineral nutrients. Therefore, it's necessary to increase the production per unit area on available land. This necessitates the close study of all the factors of crop production. The soil in which crops are grown, now I am discussing about the factors. The soil, first factor is soil in which crops are grown. What type of soil is that? The water, which is the life of a plant. The plant which gives food to man and fodder to his animals. The skillful management by the farmer himself. Management is also important, very important. The climate, which is out of the control of a man, and but decides about the growth and development and even production. Then next factor, genetic characters of crop plant, which is the genetic makeup, which can be classified into two, which can be exploited for crop production. Broadly, these factors are internal or genetic factors, and second is external or environmental factors. Internal or genetic factors. Under these, desirable characters include high yielding ability under given environmental conditions, early maturity. Crops which mature early are better. Then better resistance to lodging. Height should not be more. Then drought, flood and salinity tolerance. Our crops should be drought, flood and salinity resistant. Then greater tolerance to insect and diseases, chemical composition of grains, oil and proteins, then quality of grains, fineness or coarseness, and quality of straw, sweetness, juiciness. These are the desirable characters which a farmer like or everyone will like. External or environmental factors include edaphic or soil factors, then water, plant biotic factor, anthropic or management factors, and climatic factors. Edaphic or soil factors include soil. Soil is the natural media to grow the crop plants. Soil gives the mechanical support and act as an anchor. Soil supplies the nutrients to the crop plants. Soil conserves the moisture which is supplied to the crop plants. Soil is an abode, means house of millions of living microorganisms which act on plant residues and release food material to plants. So microorganisms, millions of microorganisms present in the soil, they convert the unavailable organic things to available forms, or otherwise, in absence of microorganism, the unavailable things or organic material would not have been changed into available form. Soil provides aeration for growth of crop and decomposition of organic matter. So this is the soil factor. Now water. Functions of water. We all know that major component of the body part, 90% of plants contain water. 90% is the water in every plant. act as solvent for dissolving the nutrients and nutrient carrier. Water maintains or regulates the temperature of plant and soil both. Water maintains the turgidity of plant cells. Water essential for absorption of nutrients and metabolic processes of the plants. Plants' tissues constitute about 90% of water. Rain and groundwater are the sources of water. We all know that water comes through either rain or groundwater, or it is through canal, open talab, etc. Groundwater is reused for irrigation through well, tank or canal. Rains are to be conserved properly so that plants make best use of it. Rainwater is to be supplemented by irrigation to meet the water requirement of crops for bumper yields. Whenever rainfall is less, that can be supplemented by these canals or other small talab, etc. Water present in the soil helps in plant in many ways. It supplies the essential raw material for production of carbohydrates by photosynthesis. So water plays very much role in the plants. It makes different salts dissolved, minerals dissolved and transferred to the site where it is required. It promotes physical, chemical and biological activities in the soil. Then water gaseous diffusion in the soil for proper aeration. Water is the life of plant and must be supplied in proper quantity. Too much water may suffocate the plant roots and too little water may not be able to sustain the plant. So both the optimum quantity of water is required in the plants. Too more or too less, both are not desirable. The water requirement of crops differ from crop to crop and variety to variety as well, depending upon the growth habit, genetically and physiological makeup, duration of the crop, etc. For example, sugarcane, rice, banana, wheat, groundnut, etc. are high water requiring crops, whereas jowar, मूंग, उर्द, तुर, ग्राम, बाजरा, मतलब most of pulse crops are the low water requiring crops. So as per the plant makeup, water should be applied in the crops. Thank you very much.